And they're up. Red Indy draws for the early. The stablemate Buwalan to take second. Racing in third, Shining Light. Fearless Boss down on the inside. Marapangi moving up on the outside. Melody running second last, and Arrowhead is in behind them. Past the 800 meters post and now towards to the last 600. Red Indy in command by about 2 lengths, followed by the stablemate Buwalan. Then by the rail Shining Light, getting closer now in fourth, Marapangi. Fearless Boss, and on the outside is Melody. As they turn for home, it's still Red Indy leading the field. Buwalan is on the outside. Marapangi, Melody booming up by the rail. Fearless Boss, and down the stretch leading the finish line. Buwalan now takes command in between runners. Running by the rail is Red Indy moving up. Fearless Boss, Marapangi with 100 to go. Buwalan starts to draw away by about 6 lengths, and finally Buwalan, Marapangi, Melody, Red Indy, Arrowhead, Fearless Boss, and Shining Light.
Okay, 5-6-3 ating unofficial or